Hey everyone, welcome back to Free Tech Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset network settings. Let's get started. Before reset settings, remember that this will erase your Wi-Fi passwords, VPN settings, and cellular settings. So make sure you have your Wi-Fi passwords handy. First, open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on General in the General menu. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings from the list. A message will pop up warning you that all your network settings will be erased. Tap Reset Network Settings to confirm. If prompted, enter your device passcode, and that's it. Your network settings are now reset. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other networks as needed. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more tips.